Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. Today we are going to solve 10 MCQs from 10th May 2020. We have taken these MCQs from the Hindu newspaper, the Indian Express, even PIB also. And these are practice MCQs for all of you, keeping in mind the prelims exam. Prelims exam को दिमाग में रखते हुए हमने ये 10 MCQs 10th May 2020 के द हिंदू PIB और इंडियन एक्सप्रेस न्यूज़पेपर से तैयार किए हैं. So you need to practice these MCQs. Each question will be of 2 marks and there will be negative marking of 0.66 marks. You have to tell me your scores in the comment box given below. नीचे comment box में आपको अपने final marks मुझे बताने होंगे. Total 20 marks, 2 marks each, 10 questions and minus 0.66 for negative marking. अगर आप गलत mark करते हो आंसर तो negative marking भी है. Let's start the class without any delay. Class शुरू करते हैं without any delay. Question number 1. Swadeshi Jagran Manch, an RSS affiliate, has strongly objected to the promotion of some e-pharmacies via the Arogya Setu app developed by government. According to this, consider the below statements. According to SJM, that is Swadeshi Jagran Manch, it had serious objections to the government-backed app promoting 4 e-pharmacies that were foreign funded. It is not a level playing ground for all e-commerce and ground retailers. Which statement supports the question? You have 5 seconds time to answer the question. Correct answer is C, that is both statement 1 and 2 are correct. दोनों ही statements correct हैं. The app is supported and put in place by government. Crores of Indians have downloaded it and joined the platform as well. It cannot be linked to such companies that employ predatory practices and are a threat to lakhs of our chemists. And the Arogya Setu app had been devised according to the government as a coronavirus surveillance cum mapping app for the general populace, that is the general population. Question number 2. The Confederation of Indian Industry has recommended that government issue guidelines directing direct workers to rejoin duty. Those failing to report for work must be made liable for action under Employment Standing Order Act and Industrial Dispute Act. So we have given 3 statements. You have to read them for Industrial Dispute Act 1946 and you have to tell me which statement is correct. 3 statements Industrial Dispute Act 1946 के ऊपर दी गई हैं. You have to tell me which statement is correct. First, the first objective states that the act is to provide regular standing orders for factories, workers and main professional. Second aim is to ensure that all employees recognize their employment terms and conditions. They are expected to follow or adhere to. The third objective states that it also supports promotion of industrial peace and harmony by supporting fair industrial practices. Which statement is correct? Regarding Industrial Dispute Act 1946, कौन सी statement correct है? Correct answer to this question is C. That is all of the above statements are correct. सभी statements correct हैं. The Industrial Employment Standing Order Act 1946 order list out laws governing the contract as devised, duly signed and eventually terminated by either party. So all of the above statements are correct. Question number 3. The government has finally decided to borrow an additional amount of 4.2 lakh crore, taking projected fiscal deficit to 5.38%. Read the statements and answer the question. Which statement is correct? The estimated gross market borrowing in financial year 2021 will be 12 lakh crore in place of 7.80 lakh crore as per the budget estimates. Amount is used to restart the economy. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है? You have 5 seconds time to answer this question. Correct answer is B. B is the correct answer. That is only statement 1 is correct. The amount is used to provide relief to the poor and restart the economy, and not just restarting the economy. ये amount सिर्फ economy को restart करने के लिए नहीं बल्कि poor लोगों को relief देने के लिए भी, marginal society को relief देने के लिए भी लिया गया है. Question number 4. Tamil Nadu government announced formation of 24-member committee headed by former governor of RBI to assess the immediate and medium-term impact of COVID-19 pandemic. Which of the statements is true regarding this? This is the 16th committee formed by government to tackle issues arising out of pandemic. Committee will give its findings on the impact of COVID-19 crisis on state government's fiscal position and outline the way forward to improve fiscal health, including increasing the tax, diversifying revenue source and reprioritizing expenditure. Which statement is true? कौन सी statement correct है जरा बताएं comment section में. Correct answer to this question is it is D, that is all of the above statements are correct. सभी statements correct हैं. All the statements are correct. So this Tamil Nadu government has announced formation of 24-member committee. This committee will be headed by former governor of RBI, C. Rangarajan. It will identify fiscal issues and economic promotion measures which should be pursued or taken up by the state government. Question number 5. India is expected to emerge as one of the main exporters of masks with the habit of its wearing catching up on people worldwide in backdrop of the COVID-19 pandemic. Which statement is correct? Almost 200 seam selling machines were imported and installed by companies in Tirupur. According to South India Textile Research Association, masks are currently tested for parameters and these are bacterial filtration efficiency, breathability and splash resistance. Which statement is correct? Correct answer is it is D, that is all of the above statements are correct. सभी statements correct हैं. Question number 6. The Indian Council of Medical Research is in the process of finalizing protocol for a new COVID-19 surveillance survey. Below are statement regarding ICMR. ICMR is funded by Government of India through Department of Health, Research and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The apex body in India for formulation, coordination and promotion of biomedical research is one of the oldest and largest medical research bodies in the world. Which statement is correct? कौन सी statement correct है? Correct answer to this question is C. Correct answer is C, that is both the statements are correct. Both the above statements are correct. ICMR was redesignated in 1949. It was set up in 1911 as IRFA, Indian Research Fund Association. Then the name was changed in 1949 and it was renamed as Indian Council of Medical Research. Question number 7. National Investigation Agency and the Punjab and Haryana Police arrested Ranjit Singh, an alleged narco-terrorist at Sirsa, Haryana. On behalf of this, what will be correct for National Investigation Agency? National Investigation Agency is a national agency established by Indian government to fight terror in India. National Investigative Agency Bill and Unlawful Activities Amendment Bill on Tuesday became, that is in 2008, became a law as President Pratibha Patil gave her assent to the legislation which was passed in the last session of the Parliament. Which statement is correct? Correct statement is C, that is only 2 is correct. सिर्फ second statement correct है. Only second statement is correct. First statement is incorrect. National Investigation Agency is a state agency established by Indian government to fight terror. Right? So it is established by Indian government. It's a national agency and it is established to fight the terror. But the statement 1 is saying it is national agency, but it is a state agency. ये national agency नहीं है. It is not a national agency. It is a state agency. Clear? So that is why statement 1 is wrong. Question number 8. Which statement is correct regarding Gopal Krishna Gokhale? Two statements are given regarding Gopal Krishna Gokhale. You have to tell me which one is correct. कौन सी statement correct है? Correct answer to this question is इस question का correct answer है D, that is All of the above statements are correct. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was an Indian liberal political leader and a social reformer during Indian independence movement. He was a senior leader of Indian National Congress also and founder of Servants of India Society as well. Question number 9. Despite enormous challenges posed by COVID-19 pandemic, RCF registers over 35% increase in sale of NPK fertilizers, Sufala. What is or are correct after reading the statements? RCF ensures continuous supply of fertilizer to farmer with help of Agriculture Department of Maharashtra. RCF is also a manufacturer of leather products. Which statement is correct? Correct answer to this question is A. That is only statement 1 is correct. Sirf statement 1 correct is. Statement 2 is wrong. RCF is also manufacturer of leather product. That is wrong. Because RCF produces large number of industrial chemicals also, not just leather products. Okay. It is a pharmaceutical industry also. It manufactures dyes also, solvents also. Clear? Last question. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare engaged with northeastern states to review preparedness and containment measures taken for COVID-19 management. Which point is or are correct in this meeting? The states involved in the meeting are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura and Sikkim. Highlighted various issues related to testing facilities, health infrastructure, surveillance, contract tracing and also shared their best practices. Correct answer to this question is question का correct answer है. It is B, that is both statements are correct. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.